an imposter, fresh on the scene, the season to prosper. Then he'll turn his back goodbye to the beast and the prophet. And Satan's chained by the angels with keys to the lock. It's, yeah, everything can change. Peace in every barrel, the final link in chain. In pristine apparel, you know the king will reign and take over the world like Pinky and the Brain.
You heard that like the flash, you heard that thunder roll. Can't wait to Christ back. This song's a jumping rose. Who wrote the righteous path? Who had a love one knows? This ain't the Christ relax. When that trumpet blows, when that trumpet blows, yeah, when that trumpet blows, when that trumpet blows, yeah, when that trumpet blows, when that trumpet blows, yeah, when that trumpet blows. This ain't the Christ relax, yeah, when that trumpet
Kill,
blows.
rule for 1,000 years, rule the entire sphere. He can do it alone, rule solitaire. But instead, Christ to pull on the Father's heirs, and we'll help like a group of volunteers. Yeah, to forward His will and keep it at the center like Boozer and Dollar Bear. Yeah, since the curse has been removed and the Christ is being viewed, and the feud is out of here. 4,000 years with a pivotal stage, everything will fall under His visible reign. No flaws in our physical frames. Everything will be back to original state. Peace will prevail between man and God, between man and beast, until Abaddon will bring dark to the light like a tanning salon and try to overthrow Christ one last time. But he will not win, no, he will lose. Christ will drop him, then he'll reboot the heavens and the earth. Everything's new. The city's walls and gold streets will be see-through. A tree of healing for the nations, we will eat the fruit. No sun, no stars in the green room, just the glory of God and His people. No pain, no sorrow, no evil, no death, no tomorrow, no